on catching up properly. Hi guys, welcome back to the vlog.
If you found the one, you should never give her up. I think it's the way life changes when in love, yeah. I surround my soul with the positivity. That's why I don't worry about the things that I don't see, yeah. These days I don't worry about much. I think we should have some more fun. I still dream about the days when we were young. I'll take a hit and still finish in one, yeah, yeah.
You don't know you're gonna make a Skylife in the building. Yo, what the them? Happy New Year, my babies. I gotta say. So guys, I'm gonna try catching up real good this song. Happy New Year. I'm really that I made it through the new year. You know, it's an opportunity. I'm gonna turn this on. It's an opportunity for all of us to set new goals, set new standards for ourselves, and really uplift ourselves and take ourselves to a new level. You know, for me, this new year is a scary one for me. But you know, with fear, when I do things when you're fearful, you kind of get more results out of it. I know that to be true. I will not be going back to my old 9-to-5 job. I've spoken about that job on this channel before. That job has set the stepping stone for where I am now. Send me through school, you know. That job groomed me into the person that I am today, how I speak, how I carry myself, and stuff like that. So I'm very grateful for that phase of my life. But 2021, entrepreneurship, you know, with that, you will be a bit worried at times because you don't know where certain things are going to come from, but you just know, say, yeah, just putting your all in a something. You know, that's what it is for me. Bathing. So I head to Negril now, so I'm going to capture that for you. Going to a spot called Sweet Spice. I love the food there, so yeah. I'm going to do that now. I have a vlog from when this is the first time I took up the camera. I kind of been feeling a little bit demotivated, but you have to motivate yourself when I feel demotivated at times. I'm bathing, so
What about the
Negril Jamaica, and this is the 7 Miles Beach again. I come here a lot for business, but yeah, today's a good day on the beach. It's a really good weather. The weather is perfect for swimming, catamaran, glass bottom boat, just walking on the beach and catching the sunset, guys. So if ever you're coming to, oh, that lighting though, Negril Jamaica, the 7 Miles Beach is one of the places that you have to visit. On this beach, you get everything: jet ski, tubing, catamaran, glass bottom boat, everything that you need to have a fun and fulfilled vacation. So yeah guys, the other day I came, but I didn't get to complete the vlog. I'm back again, you know, trying to give it a little snippet. I'm gonna eat at Sweet Spice restaurant. That's when I top restaurant. I mean, a Negril. If you come on Negril, Sweet Spice, you have to come to Sweet Spice restaurant. The best food, the one in Negril. Great food. Mr. Nathan, is something, you know?
yeah, my general. Send over to you right now.
The tiki on the ball, the tiki on the beach. This is a tiki boat, guys. It's only $60 to watch the sunset on this boat. Pretty cool. Come on to go. So guys, the tiki boat is passing by. The tiki boat is a very cool experience. When you go on there, you get all-inclusive juice, 1 hour 30 minutes 1 hour 30 minutes boat ride, juice, you go to Ritz Cafe, you go snorkeling, partying on the boat and stuff like that. Yeah, when I don't hear stuff hit my bottom. I need to come down here more often. So guys, happy new year to everybody. Hope you guys tell about, I don't feel so up in about, I'm just making myself be up, you know. How about this one now? Please remember to subscribe, give this video a thumbs up, hit that subscription button, and definitely show the love. So one of the places that you must visit when you come to Negril Jamaica is the 7 Miles Beach. Do all your sporting activities. Let me show you here. It's evening time now, and I just watched the sunset, heading to get something to eat. Alright, take care. Heading to get something to eat. The sun is practically gone down already. It's getting dark, so sunset in Negril is very, very beautiful, especially on a day where the weather is so perfect, you know. So that's what I'm doing now. Please remember to give this video a thumbs up, hit that subscription button, definitely leave a comment in the comment section below, and until next time, I'm your girl Melica Skylife. Guys, I haven't been feeling so well from when I decided to just take a drive out and stuff. Yes, I'm reach. The sun feels so good on my skin and it's so hot. I really did need the sun, man. So on the 7 Miles Beach, you can get food, you can get Marie, and everything that you really want. You can just get it in. Right on the beach here, they normally have like bonfires in night and stuff. Yeah. How you doing? What's up, guys? Welcome back to the vlog. You don't know your girl Melica Skylife in the building. You all what it them. Right now, I'm on the 7 Miles Beach in Negril, Jamaica. We entered at the Treehouse Club. With the Treehouse Club, you actually pay an entry to get in. I think it's $7. I didn't pay. But you can enter the beach at different locations where it's free actually. But when you come down here, you have parasailing. Ready? Parasailing. Anyway, parasailing they're out there, so. You have a lot of water sports activity. Parasailing is $65 per person. Tubing is $35 per person. Glass bottom boat, $35 per person. You have party boats where you get juice and food, and that's only $70 per person. So if you want to experience that, 7 Miles Beach Negril is the place for you.